I have driven my NC for 2 years, but the one thing I've never experienced was a 2.5 liter swapped NC. Now, for those of you who don't know, you can actually put the 2.5 liter from a number of Ford and Mazdas, particularly the Fusion, into the NC, and it's a super clean swap, very simple. I am excited to see how it feels. It raises the horsepower by a touch, but it really increases the torque. On this car, you got 255 square, absolutely insane amount of meat. This does have the Wilwood kit by Flyin Miata, so the little big brake kit. I'm interested to see how that feels. I think it should be a good amount of braking performance, and especially slowing down on 255s, I think it's gonna be a nice amount of braking compared to my near bone stock NC. Nice hood louvers. It looks very well put together. I'm super excited to experience this. Let's just hop in and have fun. 175,000 miles.
Oh yeah.
Nice. And you said that you got this car with the swap, like already done?
I got it with the swap.
That's nice. I see them all the time, just on like Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah.
Yeah, they seem like a really good bang for buck.
It is. This was a California car.
Okay.
They couldn't register it in California.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
So.
Huh. Nice. Got the catalyst. Nice steering wheel. This actually feels pretty nice.
It's a nice steering wheel.
Yeah. Wow. I know, because on my NC, it's the most boring like circle in the world.
Yeah, you can hear the cams.
Yeah, you can hear it loping a little bit. Yeah, it's cool. All right. Is it stock transmission, right? It's just a uprighted clutch to hold the power?
I don't know. It actually feels like an NC2 transmission.
Oh yeah, it is a little bit, whoop.
Oh yeah, the clutch is...
Here we go.
Yeah.
Very low down compared to mine. It's weird because everything feels similar except the clutch is a lot different.
Yeah, similar but not exactly similar.
Yeah, wow, okay. Yeah, definitely a lot more aggressive. Yeah, it is pretty cool hearing the loping.
Yeah, when you're not stuck in the traffic, it's actually really nice. And the clutch is really nice when you're not in the traffic.
Yeah. All right. Let's see how it does. 255 square, a lot of tire.
Yeah. Yes.
Nice. These are Nankang, I think it was a CS. CRS. I see white flag there. Oh, are they shutting? Okay, she's letting us go. All right, so we're gonna be revving to about 6,000 RPM, a little bit less than the normal NC2 engine, but the big difference will be the torque. Is this a 5-speed or 6-speed?
6-speed.
6-speed, okay, perfect. We'll see how that brake kit feels once we get some heat in the system. I love these NC Miata transmissions. They feel great. Nice pops out the back. Sounds good. Very good steering response. Alignment feels really dialed in. My car has a lot of float to it. Classic Grattan jump. Yeah, tons of grip. I really like the steering wheel.
Yeah, it's one of those blinks that I can't do without.
Yeah.
My first spin on the usual steering wheel.
It's nice. I really do like the way it feels. It makes it a lot better of an experience. I definitely do feel that torque difference for sure.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Oh, it can take the dip, no issue. Yeah, we're gonna be like the only ones out on track. I think it was this, that Lotus was out. I haven't seen a lot of other cars. What suspension do you have?
Meister R.
Meister R, okay. feels very nice. All right, there we go. Probably got some heat back in them. Let's see, do you actually feel traction control hit on there? There we go.
Yes. Right.
These seats are great. My seats are fully stock and you're just sliding around. These are excellent. Yeah, wow, you really do notice that torque. You do notice that torque. Feels good. I mean, on these 255s, it's like, I'm not gonna get anywhere near the limit. Brakes have a good feel to them.
Those are the pads.
Yeah?
They're relatively new. G-Lock. They're exceptional.
Okay, I also run a G-Lock. They're great.
Yeah.
See, give this guy a
The feel
0.5.
they have, it's amazing.
Yeah. Yeah, heel and toe is so easy. Now that the car's moving, it really does love to rev.
Yes, yes it does.
Very agile. Do one more lap.
Sure.
Yeah, on that hill especially, that's kind of where I noticed the difference between your 2.5 and my 2-liter. It really kind of pulls you up, whereas mine sort of falls on its face a little bit. Yeah, I mean, this is set up so nicely. Love that sound. It is definitely, it's unique kind of having this same sort of chassis as my car, but just so many less revs to work with. You got more power, but it's just an interesting change.
It is. It's not that much more horsepower.
Yeah.
But the torque comes at different.
Gotcha. All right, well, we can cool down, bring it in. This was really great to experience. I enjoyed myself. I mean, this is set up a little bit more aggressive than my car. And it's a fantastic tool on track. I mean, this just feels great. That exhaust is crazy. Amount of popping outside. All right. Well, thank you for letting me drive your car. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
That was great. Great to experience. I'm really glad that I finally got to
See what
to find a 2.5 car, and you know, an owner that's cool enough to let me just pop in. So yeah, really appreciate that.